Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am playing with some goodies from Happy Crafter Shop. I am a guest designer. I'm sure a lot of you guys are already familiar with Lisa's store, but if you are not, or if you want to go back and shop, please check out the description box below. I will have a link to her website so you guys can run over and order some fun goodies for your next crafting project. You can also use my coupon code Betty10 to save 10% on your order. So you guys, I'm sure you're going to find something that you love. I'm going to share today some of the cabochons that I've been playing with, and then I'll come back and share some projects using some beads, and then I'll come back and share some projects using sequins. All right, so make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also over there on Instagram, so you may want to check me out over there. I'm Scrap Passion 01 on Instagram as well. Before I share my project with you, I want to also share Lisa's information for her Instagram as well as her YouTube. Here is all of her information as well as the website, happycraftershop.com. So you are sure to find some goodies in her store for sure. And it will be just in time for your Easter projects. All right, so let's get started and let me share with you what I've played with today. So I pulled out these cute little pink bunny cabochons. It comes 10 in a pack. Here is another one. This is called Bunny Flat Cabochons. It comes 6 in a pack. And I absolutely love these. These are my favorite. These are called Frosted Bow Cabochons. It comes 10 in a pack. And then I also played with the Bunny Cabochons with Strawberry, 12 in a pack. These are really cute and fun for your smaller projects. And then this is called the Flat Bag Bunny Cabochons. These are also super, super cute. Let me share with you what I created. First up, I want to share this cute little crate, this wood crate that I had in my garage. And I was out there doing something and I stumbled upon this wood crate. And so I pulled it out because I love to alter things. And I basically altered the crate to hold some really pretty bows that I made. And I'm going to share those with you. But I wanted to share the crate with you. Cute little bike. This was actually a spray from Michael's. And I just took the spray off and just hot glued it right here to this crate. I thought it would be really fun and cute, especially with this cute little basket. And then I pulled out some of the cabochons from Happy Crafter Shop. And I put it on this bow on front of the basket. You can see the cute little bunny cabochon there. So cute. And then in the side of the basket, I wanted to include another one of the fun cabochons. So I got a toothpick and put it down in there and then hot glued the cabochon on the front as well as the back of the toothpick. And I thought that was so fun and so cute. And, you know, I'm just playing around. And then I had some rub-ons in my stash. And I wanted to use that on the crate. Enjoy the little things. And I just put that right on the front of that crate. You can see the handle there. And then here I'm showcasing some more of those really cute cabochons. This is a cute little bunny here. I just tied a bow and then put the bunny right there in the center. So fun and so cute. And here's the back of the crate. Right here, I had another rub-on and I added it and I said leave a little sparkle wherever you go. So I thought that was a really fun addition to the back of the crate. Inside of the crate, I've created some really beautiful bows, you guys, and I'm showcasing those cabochons. So let me take them out of this crate and I'll come back and share the bows with you. Here are the beautiful bows that I made. So let's just start over here. Highlights that cute little bunny cabochon right there in the center of that bow. This can be put on any project, a packaging ideal, or you know, just to dress up anything you may be creating. You can add this bow to it and it is so fun and so pretty. It has sequins on it as well, And it also has this rosette here in the center, and then this bow. And then you can see the cute little bunny cabochon. It fit perfect right there in the center of the bow. So pretty. So that's the first bow I made. And this time I'm featuring this cute little bunny cabochon. It fit perfect as well right there in the center. This is so fun and so pretty, and it doesn't have to be used for Easter, of course. This would be a really pretty addition to any baby project as well. So that is also very pretty. I had this bow here, like beaded pearl bow. I added it on top just to give it a little something, and I love how this bow turned out. And here's the back of this bow right here. Really, really pretty. Go to the next bow I made. Here's the next bow. This was a little simple. It's not as layered up, but on this bow I highlighted the bow cabochon. I just love these. They're so fun and so pretty. And this is very simple and can be added on to any project. And here's the back of that bow. So pretty. Next up, I'm featuring this cute little bunny cabochon, and I wanted to add a touch of green to this bow to bring out the green in the flower stem that the bunny is holding. This one is double layered. Here's the back of that one. So pretty, right? So you guys pull out your whatever fabrics or ribbons or tools or whatever you have in your stash, and pull out Lisa's cabochons and just play and create you some really fun and beautiful bows. This one is super cute. I love the color with this, and I love the different sequins in this tool, and I thought that would be a really pretty addition to this bow. So really pretty on that one. And then lastly, I have this pink fuchsia colored bow with sequins, and then this cute little bow cabochon there in the center. So I have one more project that I'd like to share. I also want to share this cute little jar that I altered. This is also a spray from Michael's, and I just removed this spray and added it on top of this jar. And this is another way you can use those fun cabochons to alter up a project and just include it as part of the center in your bow. This also has like a crepe paper rosette in the back, and I thought that was really fun and cute. I added some of the Easter grass, and some candy can go inside. It can be packaged up really cute, and this would be a great packaging ideal. This is what it looks like on the back here. So that is my share. Make sure you guys check out the store. Again, I will have a link below to the website for you guys to go directly to her website and shop. And don't forget to use my coupon code Betty10 to save 10% on your order. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.